Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best flea and tick shampoo for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Adams Plus Flea and Tick Shampoo. The most popular flea killer shampoo for dogs on the market, Adams Plus is extremely effective in killing fleas, flea eggs, flea larvae, ticks, and lice. It's fast-acting and provides 28 days of control for pre-adult fleas. This shampoo is medicated with methoprene, pyrethrins, and piperonal butoxide, but it contains very low levels that are considered safe for both dogs and cats. This is one of the most effective and safest flea shampoo for dogs. Adams Plus is also formulated with soothing aloe, lanolin, coconut extract, and oatmeal to be easy on sensitive skin. Many pet parents say it's a fantastic flea killer, has a pleasant scent, and leaves their dog's coat super soft and shiny. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Vet's Best Natural Flea and Tick Shampoo. If you're not a fan of chemicals, this Vet's Best Advanced Strength Shampoo uses a blend of essential oils to get the job done. And many pet parents say it's quite effective. It's vet formulated to kill fleas, flea eggs, flea larvae, and ticks on contact. While some customers raise concerns over essential oil toxicity in dogs, this shampoo contains heavily diluted amounts of thyme, peppermint, clove, rosemary, and cedarwood oils. These essential oil concentrations are generally considered safe for dogs, but cats are particularly sensitive to essential oils. So this product isn't recommended for cats. Some users said the shampoo's odor is too strong, but others like the scent. At number 3, we have the Tropiclean Max Strength Flea and Tick Shampoo. Tropiclean is another extremely popular dog flea shampoo that contains safe concentrations of essential oils, clove, lemongrass, cedarwood, cinnamon, and sesame as active ingredients. While it kills fleas, flea eggs, flea larvae, and ticks, it only provides 7 days of flea control. One thing to note about this shampoo is that it contains the anionic detergent and surfactant sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, a chemical compound commonly used in shampoos and cleaning products to create a lather. While SLS can be naturally derived or synthetic, the plant-derived SLS in Tropiclean is all natural. While SLS may cause mild eye irritation in pets, scientists consider it safe in small concentrations in pet shampoo. We wanted to address this issue because there's a lot of misinformation out there about SLS causing cataracts or permanent eye damage in dogs. At number 2, we have the Sentry Oatmeal Flea and Tick Shampoo. If you have multiple dogs in your home and are facing an unfortunate outbreak of fleas, you may be looking for the best bang for your buck in a flea shampoo. If so, this Sentry product could be a good solution. Permethrin, a synthetic insecticide of the pyrethroid class, is the active ingredient in this shampoo. It's safe for dogs but toxic in cats until it dries, so avoid using this product on cats. It also contains oatmeal to soothe itchy, dry, and irritated skin, and is great at conditioning your pup's coat. The downside is that it only kills fleas and ticks, but not flea eggs or larvae, and it only provides 10 days of flea control. And finally, at number 1, we have the BioSilk for Dogs Silk Therapy Puppy Tearless Shampoo. Unfortunately, you should avoid shampoos formulated to treat fleas on puppies under 12 weeks of age because they're too strong for their young bodies. While it won't kill or deter fleas, this alternative puppy flea shampoo features soothing ingredients like milk protein, aloe vera, honey, chamomile, and vitamin E that can help relieve your young'un's itchy and irritated skin from flea bites. This shampoo is safe for puppies 8 weeks and older. Some tips on managing fleas on little ones include: Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.